Welcome to a quick demonstration of Plus Glass Coat, code generation software for glass retailers and small glass processors. The software requires a few inputs: the glass details, the processes, the fittings, and the rates for all of them. Get an accurate quote quickly at the click of a button. Once the order is placed, convert it into a job sheet with no additional work. Get a bill of material in its consolidated form to know what materials need to be procured. Get the delivery challan and the tax invoice without much additional effort. Other important features of the software: link to an optimizer to reduce the wastage, to-do lists to assist the sales team perform better, work in and inches and switch effortlessly between them, tutorials in English and Hindi to learn at your own speed. We'll now quickly see how a coat can be made using Plus Glass Coat. This is the coat which has been prepared manually. We have 12 mm clear toughened glass with holes and cutouts, 8 mm clear glass with some processes and a couple of fitting items. The total value is 1,17,425 rupees. We will now make this coat in Plus Glass Coat. This is the dashboard of Plus Glass Coat, from where we can access all its functions easily. Make a new project for the customer, ABC Glass House. Enter the description. This is the project page which has the details of the customer, the name, the address details, the project code, the working units. In the order items page, select 12 mm clear toughened glass with holes and cutouts. We now copy paste data from Excel sheet into Plus Glass Coat. We copy length, width and quantity and paste it. Similarly, we copy the details of holes and cutouts, paste it. We have added the required glass details into Plus Glass Coat. In the rates page, the standard rates have been copied automatically. We can change the rate of materials or processes if required. In the cost page, the upper window shows the details of the glass items and the total cost, whereas the bottom window shows the details of individual glass items and their processes with the costs. Add-on costs like VAT, handling charges are available in the additional cost page. These are calculated automatically based on formulae. Save the project. We can see the total cost details in the table here, along with the total glass area, the charged area, the charge perimeter. We now print the coat. The quote is generated now with the customer details, the glass details, the add-on costs and the total cost. We also have the terms and conditions below it. Next, we add the clear glass items in the glass page. We copy paste the data again from Excel sheet. We add the processes now. CP, back paint. We next add the fitting items. Patch fitting, We again copy paste, verify the rates. We can change the rates if required. See the costs. Take a look at the add-on costs. Save the project. We note that the cost of the project has changed to include all the items, and the total cost is 1,17,425 rupees. We have just seen how quick and easy it is to generate a quote in Plus Glass Quote. We just needed to enter the glass sizes, specify the process, and an accurate quote was generated in a very short time. We also can generate other documents like the rate quote, the detailed quote, the BOM, the job sheet, the invoice, and the delivery challan. A quick recap: we added the toughened glass items in the order items page, the additional glass in the glass page, and fittings. We verified the rates and the quote was generated on a single click. The major benefits of the software: get an accurate quote, rate quote, detailed quote quickly at the click of a button. The charge sizes calculations are done automatically. We have project specific rates which can be changed, multiple delivery challans, VAT calculations done automatically. You could also track your outstandings. This brings us to the end of the demonstration. Thank you for watching this demonstration and your time. For more information and tutorials, please visit our website www.nirmanatech.com.